Okay, I don't know how long this video is going to be. This is about something someone was asking about, getting burrito bowls. Now, this place does offer burrito bowls, but this is just the burrito itself. This is a carne asada burrito. Carne asada? What does that mean? Carne with meat or something? I don't know. But it is a meat, cheese, and onion burrito. If they did it correctly, I haven't opened it yet. Hello! Hello in there! But I did notice this. Not necessarily this place. I'm not going to tell you this place's name, but if you're in the comments, you can ask me the name and I'll tell you. But I'm not going to post it out there for general consumption. But this burrito, it's going to be pretty big. But what happens is if you get a burrito bowl, a bowl of burrito where you don't get the tortilla to save the carbs. So you might want it to be carb friendly. Carbon neutral. And a lot of people get that done as a bowl, which is fine. Nothing wrong with that. The only problem is, I notice that sometimes when I got a burrito bowl, I'm a little bit hungry. If I get hungrier faster than if I don't. I'm going to just fold this under. But what I do now is I just get the burrito itself, and I don't ask for a burrito bowl. Most tortillas can be given to the birds. The birds can have tortilla. They really can't have like white bread, like the bread you get in the store, like sandwich bread. Some of that does cause problems. But what I do is I fold the little sides in. I don't have to, but I kind of fold them down so it fits on the foil. If it wasn't raining, I'd probably sit there and eat it there. But what I'm going to do is I just have it, instead of doing that in a bowl, I do this. And you might say, why would you do that? You can't have the tortilla. Let's try it, see if it's good. That's most important, right? You can't have the tortilla, which I can. If I want to eat some of the tortilla, I can eat the whole tortilla if I want. Let me tell you if the tortillas are good here. Got a little bit won't be a problem. But the reason I do it like this is I noticed I was getting hungry afterwards when I got a burrito bowl. So I thought, maybe it's the lack of the tortilla. And it could be, I thought. Then I found out it is not necessarily. What it was is that when they make the bowl, they just throw the stuff in the bowl, and which is fine. But I noticed that it looked a little bit smaller than the burrito. By the way, it's just because I don't have the tortilla. But I'm gonna get the burrito bowl and get another bowl, just whoop, and that way I get the exact weight of the contents. Then I got a burrito. About 3 or 4 days after that, I got a burrito. And when I got the burrito, and I took everything off of the tortilla, and I put it in a bowl, I noticed that it was a little bit over a quarter pound, 4 ounces, lower, about 5 ounces more when I did it this way. Well, I've covered that earlier, that sometimes when we're on a keto diet, we have to pay for things we're not going to get. For example, if I paid for a burger and they can't lettuce wrap, and I just take off the bun and toss it, I'm paying for that bun and I don't get it. But if I get the lettuce wrap, at least you get the lettuce. But I don't know if you go to a industry place like maybe Chipotle or something like that, do they have to weigh the product out? To ensure that it's the same amount that you get. Like every burrito bowl there would have this amount. Now I know some places, Chipotle for example, you can get just the protein. Let's say can I have this amount? I don't know the sizes, maybe a smaller or large, I don't know. What size can I get of chicken, for example? And they have it there. I went there, I was getting some carne asada meat or maybe some chicken with no tortillas or anything like that. You know, I did get some aside of these chips. I can't have those. I mean, I could, of course, like I said, I can always have it. I'm not going to have those. It doesn't fit within my desired diet. But they told me I should try their new brisket that they have. Yeah. Mama mia, that thing was hot. Not hot as in temperature, but hot as in spicy. It was really spicy. So much so, I really couldn't taste the meat. I just tasted the spice. And some people like that. Some people do not. You know, and I'm one that does not. But it was good. The part that I can kind of brush off, I could tell it would probably be good. So she said, I don't know this. You can ask for a sample of something that you're not sure. Like, if it's regular, like barbecue chicken, you probably know. But, you know, I've had carne asada burritos there before, and they weren't spicy. So that meat, if I did have it on a carne asada burrito, or a burrito with that meat, it would be hot. Especially because I don't put a whole lot of stuff other than meat, cheese, and onions. And with the onions, I always ask, can I get it? Is it already mixed with cilantro? Yeah, cilantro. If it is, then I don't get it. I don't really care for that. I don't hate it. Like if they accidentally put some in here, I'd go ahead and eat it. But you know, if you're paying for it, you might as well get it the way you want it. But so I just noticed you may not have that problem where you are, but if you do get burritos, and instead of having it modified into a bowl, you may want to just eat it like this, because the tortilla is basically like a plate, and I got the foil underneath. And if you're at home, you could use a plate, or if you're eating it there. It is raining here in California, Southern California. There's a lot of rain, and I had to go out to the post office and the grocery store. So I thought, well, I'm hungry. You know the problem with going to the grocery store when you're hungry, you buy all kinds of stuff. Please, please, please don't forget to subscribe. Channel is building up a little bit. We did a bonus video today. I'm filming this on Wednesday. Yeah, today's Thursday. I'm filming this on Thursday. I had a video come out today about shout outs. That's actually it's running right now. I would be watching it probably just to see how it looks, make sure I didn't make any mistakes. But my food would get cold, so I did not. And then did an additional video about California has a group. I don't know what they are. Maybe they're a racist group. I don't know. White supremacist, something, I don't know. But they have a group out here trying to deport those that are not supposed to be here. And I did a video about that. That was a bonus video. It wasn't what it was about. But anyway, this video right here, let's see, I got one for Thursday, Wednesday for Thursday. This will probably be out on Saturday. I believe Saturday. Take care, everyone. Have a great day.